छोटी।
Nag-sponsor yung measure para patayin yung impeachment or yung korporeta na pinasara yung ABS-CBN. Ha? Wala eh. Nagpe-preno-preno sila. Ilang beses si Marcoleta, ha? Paulit-ulit sinabi na ano daw, ha? Inintay pa niya si Erwin Tulfo na maglalabas na daw ng lista ng mga senador o kongresista na involved sa mga katiwalaan sa infrastructure projects. Pero wala rin naman nangyari. Hindi naman ginawa ni Erwin. Ito naman si Erwin sa iban niya, sa opening statement niya, sinabi na banggitin ang dapat name. Those should be named. Ganun, ha? Pangalanan daw, yung mga dapat pangalanan. Ha? Di bali na kung sino nasaktan. Wala rin hanggang natapos na yung hearing. Nasayang lang yung 6 hours natin. Nasayang lang yung 6 hours
My office received reports that there are ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's true.
Well, this is information that we received, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wawaw Builders, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And SYMS Construction. Am I correct?
I don't recall that name, Your Honor.
Who is the owner of Wawaw Builders? Is he here? Walang reply as of now. May I know who is the legitimate owner of this construction company? I think the committee already will issue a subpoena. So, sa akin palagay, itong mga ghost projects na nabulgar na ngayon, siguro inaayos na nila. Tama? Para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability. They will not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented and payment has been made, then it's on.
Tapos na, nasulog na yung pera natin.
That's actually...
Alright, magkano ang in-award dito sa sa Wawaw Builders?
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly...
Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag niyo ako lulukoy dito. Labas niyo kung magkano.